Welcome in, Ohouse, and this is my home. My name is Yanni Velasquez. I use he, him pronouns. I am a high school teacher and grad school student born and raised in the Bay Area, San Francisco. I love music. I love coffee. I make coffee for my friends right outside my apartment. I also love being active. I boulder, I swim, triathlons. So you might also catch me biking around the city. I'm also someone who doesn't have a design background. Before moving into this apartment, you may find my YouTube video online, but this whole apartment was pretty minimal. There was not a lot of furniture or knickknacks. Moving into here, I really just wanted to objectively start pretty small. And then little by little, I came into really intentional design. Although there's a lot of stuff in this apartment, if you were to point at any single thing, I could tell you like why it's here and why it means a lot. I'm pretty ambiverted, which means I'm an extrovert and introvert. I find a lot of comfort just being by myself. And at the same time, the living room setup is structured in a way that invites groups to see each other. So when I do host coffee pop-ups here, I try to make this apartment feel like a home to other folks. I think home is any place that you can really cultivate for yourself. So home is just a place where I can just be my authentic self. I can do what I love without any judgment. And I really feel like I have ownership of my time and energy.